Today I'm going to teach you how to create add-ons in Adobe Express. This is a powerful way to extend Adobe Express functionality and build custom tools that integrate directly into the platform, whether for personal use or to share with others. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, log into your Adobe Express account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main Adobe Express dashboard where you can access all the design tools and settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar, which is typically a circular image or icon representing your account. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can configure different aspects of your Adobe Express experience. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll be on the General tab by default. Scroll down through the available options until you find a section labeled Add-on Development. This is a crucial step as it enables the development mode for your account. Next to Add-on Development, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn it on. Enabling this setting allows you to test and develop add-ons directly within Adobe Express, which is essential for the development process. With add-on development now enabled in your account, it's time to set up the actual add-on project on your computer. Open your terminal or command prompt. The terminal is where you'll execute the commands needed to create and manage your add-on project files. In the terminal, type npx space at symbol adobe/create-cc web-add-on space my-first-add-on space --template space javascript- with document -sandbox and press enter. This command downloads and sets up the add-on template with all necessary files and dependencies. If you'd like to use a different name for your project instead of my-first-add-on, simply replace that part with your preferred name. This process might take a moment as it installs all the required packages. Once the installation completes, you'll need to navigate into your newly created project folder. Type cd space my-first-add-on in the terminal and press enter. This changes your directory to the project folder where all your add-on files are located. Now it's time to build your add-on. Type npm space run space build and press enter. This command compiles all your add-on code and prepares it for testing. You'll see various messages in the terminal as the build process runs, and it should complete without errors if everything is set up correctly. Finally, you're ready to launch your add-on locally. Type npm space run space start and press enter. This command starts a local development server that hosts your add-on. After a few moments, you'll see a URL appear in the terminal, typically http://localhost:3000. This URL is where your add-on is running locally, and you can use it to test and develop your add-on within Adobe Express. You've now successfully set up the development environment for creating add-ons in Adobe Express and launched your first add-on project locally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.